Okay guys, so we voted. It makes sense to me. I don't know. I mean, it's cute, but it's giving big forehead. One thing we gonna do, we gonna eat.
We gonna sneak off from them kids.
Can't keep going.
You a little post-so baby. You a little 48 baby. Got a little candy in her pocket. She gon' take off like a. You already know. Dirtied up a couple on the north side. Take you, but I know you probably courtside. Know I gotta come and check the whole man, baby. Hold tight. I just touched the city with the G-block stainers. And we got adopted by some 5'4" strangers. You know what it means when I twist these fingers. Me and you being on a first name basis. Why you think I hate it when you talk that Drake shit? Same reason that you never left me hanging. Same reason that I tried to make you famous. Same reason that I tried to show you just who I was. Outside of the club, outside the things that a man like me does. Outside of the things that would cause you to judge. Outside of the club, so you know just who I was.
Hands up high, tell them dim the lights down right now, put me in the mood. I'm talking about dark room, perfume, go.
I recognize your fragrance, hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit. And I know your taste is a little bit high maintenance. Everybody else basic, you live life on an everyday basis with poetic justice. If I told you that a flower bloomed in a dark room, would you trust it? I mean, I write poems in these songs dedicated to you and you're in the mood for empathy, it's blood in my being. Better yet, with your friends and them. I really wanna know you all. I really wanna show you all. Fuck that, pour up plenty of champagne. Cold nights when you curse his name. You called up your girlfriends and your girls. The mini range, I heard that. She wanna go and party. She wanna go and party. Nigga don't approach her with that Atari. Nigga that ain't good, came home and sorry. They say conversation, rule a nation. I can tell, but I could never right my wrongs unless I write it down for real.
One thing you can't tell me is that when you're obedient, when you're literally obedient to God, he would literally bless you. Y'all, he's been blessing me all morning. Like, tell me why I came to Chick-fil-A and I forgot my card at home. Tell me why they said, hey, man, we took care of it. Just go ahead. Y'all, a whole 2 breakfast meals. Like, you cannot tell me. And y'all, early this morning, too, I was like in my prayer time. And God was already talking to me about just being obedient. Like, just being in a space of obedience and just having faith. And the whole morning, he's already been, you know, blessing me and answering me. And y'all, just be obedient. Stay obedient. That's all you gotta do.
Some space. You're too far away. Make no mistake. I think you should stay. You'll get every little bit. You ain't never seen a trip like this. Heaven at your fingertips. Don't you let a minute slip. Just say you have me. Oh, taste and see. Hope you don't sleep on me. I got good plenty.
I've been all the spaces in between. It's magic when I taste it in the bin.
lower carbs, if y'all see. So, and then this is how it looks. So I'm gonna add all my good stuff. I love cilantro, so we're gonna add cilantro. Just a little bit. Like literally a little tiny bit. Not too much, not too much. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. Little dab, little dab. Nothing too crazy. Alright. And then we're gonna cut up some onions. Just a little bit, not too much. Huh? We're gonna cut up some onion. Because the onions, this is enough onions, honestly, y'all. For me. I don't do too much. Ooh. That's a little too much. I'm not gonna lie. I cut up too much. Let me put some back. Rolling your body on that floor, please. Tomato. We're gonna eat the whole tomato. I'm gonna cut up the whole thing. No, that's not your... And then y'all, we got the lettuce. So you kind of want to make sure it's like, it looks like this. This is how you want it to look. So that's one. Two. And a good three. I could roll that up. Three, that's perfect. Look how that looks, y'all. If y'all can see. This one is kind of broken up a little bit, but just make it work. Hmm? Y'all, I'm gonna add some sprinkled cheese on mine. And then y'all, I'm drinking this. It's mad good. Better good? It's a vibe, it's a vibe. All right, y'all. And I'm gonna sprinkle a little cheese on it, cause that's what I want. I love tuna melts, so this makes sense to me. I don't know about how you feel about it, but it makes sense to me. And this is it, y'all. This is how we looking. Ooh, and I'm about to eat all of it. But let me put mine aside, and I'm gonna make a sandwich for Benny, cause he been cleaning with me all morning, y'all, all morning. So you know I gotta make him something.
He got 5 stories to tell. I see both sides like Chanel. See on both sides like Chanel. Swimming laps through pool water. Eat it like I'm underworld. Hide my tattoos in Shibuya. Police think I'm of the underworld. 12 treat a nigga like he 12. How you looking up to me and talking down? Can't you see I am the big man? God level, I am the I am. I film it with the drone cam and the pick like killer cam. Zoom on that stick, no way. I'm so close, I'm on that kill. Controller on your lower back, yeah, that's the good. They can roll the eyes back in.
2017 ideas playing off Walgreens. This a code, not a click on the net. With a cup in a cup, active.
Oh my god, y'all, there's this hairstyle I want to try with my own natural hair. You could like braid it, bohemian braids with like some fly outs and curls. I don't know yet. I'm gonna see if I can attempt to do it because I don't know yet if I can do it, so we'll see. This is good. Hey, 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 hey,
When you take the song off, you get stop.
Oh my goodness. Okay, baby. It's so raining today. No, that Texas Roadhouse bread be hitting. He's so greedy. Good morning, y'all. So, hold on, let me put y'all here. Your girl is a little self-conscious this morning because my face is breaking out, and I think it's because I've been drinking soda. We ain't drinking no soda no more. So, quick update, guys. I am volunteering at my church. I volunteer to watch the children in the children's ministry. Hold on, y'all. Let me back up. Okay. Y'all, what's up with it being already like freezing cold? Like, what? Okay, guys. So, and I didn't want to put like makeup on my face because I'm literally going to be with 1-year-olds and below all day today. So, but I'm super excited, guys. Like, one thing about me is when I feel like God wants me to do something, when I feel like he wants me to be a part of something, I just stay obedient even when I don't feel like it. Because at first I was like, God, how you gonna have me be in the children's ministry? Like, I don't know. I mean, I love kids, but you know, it's different when it's like not your kids. Let's be honest. Like, other people kids, other people kids be doing the most, and it's like, yo, where is your mommy and daddy? But it's okay, because I feel like God will put you in places for a reason. You thinking it's for you to watch other people's kids, whole time it's for you to meet somebody. Whole time it's for him to soften your heart, you know, prepare you for motherhood, prepare you for all that good stuff. So I'm going to church right now. I gotta be at church at 8:35. It's 8:29, but I literally live like super close to my church. Y'all, don't mind over here this dust. I need a car wash, y'all. Like, but I hope you guys are having a great Sunday morning. We haven't done these car chats in a minute, and I told myself ending this year off and going into 2025, I really want to be way more consistent when it comes to vlogging, because I love vlogging. It's like therapy for me. But it's like I want to upload twice a week, but I don't know if I'm just like, I have way too much high expectations. So I think I should start off with one vlog a week, and the second video should be a sit down conversation, you know, Christ based, what's going on in the world. Like, that's what I want to talk about. I really want to do more chit chats / Bible studies, and I want to vlog. Those are my two main things that I want to do for I Am Leah Nicole channel. My other main channel is doing really well, but I want to definitely like vlog more, create more. Like, this is like therapy for me. It's an outlet. I'm in a new space now, y'all, so the lighting is top tier. Like, you could see me and I don't gotta worry about putting all my lights on in the house. All I gotta do is just open up my curtains and voila. So that's the pros of moving into a new apartment, you know what I'm saying? But guys, I don't know if I could record at church, but I'm gonna tell you guys how it went after. And I low-key really want to go to Starbucks after church, so we might do that. Because your girl is drowsy. And I'm on my diet, y'all, because y'all see me going to the gym. Like, let's really talk about it. Y'all have seen me go to the gym, and I'm not playing. I'm staying strict on my diet. I think I'm going to go to the gym when I come back home. And then I'm going to go ahead and... I think I'm going to go to the gym when I come back home. And then really, like, start my morning. Do some laundry. Today is laundry and work day for me. There's like a lot of work that I need to get done when it comes to my main channel. So that's the vibes I'm really trying to stick to my diet. I'm really trying.
You're
like, I don't.
Great.
He's so
Yeah, you're doing great.
He's my #1 supporter. He really is. So I'm just trying to lose this weight, y'all. Okay, but I don't even have a desire to eat bad right now. It's just, it's hard trying to stay on a diet when there's so much stuff at the house. Like, there's sandwiches, there's chips, there's rice and beans. There's like all the good stuff that I enjoy eating, and I can't eat it. Especially this morning for breakfast. Like, y'all, I love pancakes, I love waffles, and I just wanted to eat that this morning and I couldn't. So I made myself a little shake. So we're gonna go grab lunch because I'm starving. Okay guys, so we voted. How do you feel, babe?
I feel great.
Guys, this is like my first time voting, like adulting, and we did it together. So this is both of our first time voting.
What were they clapping about?
Because this was our first time voting.
Oh.
That's what I was like. I don't like that they put you on the spot right there, like first time voter. Woo! And I'm like, bruh. We done voted. Thanks. Babe, stop.
We're back. Hello. We're here. What's up, homie?
Guys, we're gonna do a sit down video soon. I just have to get him together to actually do a sit down video. And like do
have to get him to actually sit down.
I have to get him to actually sit down so we could do a how we met and all that type of stuff. And talk about just the tea, because I haven't updated you guys. Like the last time y'all saw him was our first date, and now this is the second time, and he's here in Georgia. So I'm gonna have to update you guys about how he came into my life.
In my life.
How he came to my life. Cause I love him.
And I love you.
That look good.
Yes, sir.
Alright, thank you so much. I got what did I get baby again? Mussels?
Mussels, yeah.
I got mussels, y'all. And what did you get, baby?
I got shrimp with the head on.
We got shrimp with the head on. And then we also got this. That looks good. And we about to eat.
This is definitely one of our favorites.
Oh, I want the gloves. Did they give you the gloves?
Yeah, it's in your bag. Big out.
Is it good?
It is amazing.
One thing we gonna do, we gonna eat.
We gonna sneak off from them kids.
We're gonna sneak away from the kids. And we gonna eat.
That's a shame.
This is kind of therapeutic. Ain't no one in here. I had a good day at the gym. I think I'm going to the gym later though tonight. I'm not going.
But think of what we did when we wasn't with them.
The kids? There's so much food at home for them. They can eat anything they got. To be honest, whatever they want, we usually get. They said they wanted pepperoni. I got them pepperoni.
I just wanted to go here because I know we talked about earlier. You asked me about the last time we went on a date. Is this considered a date? Yeah, right.
Well, I kind of wanted to just.
I think that we go.
I wanted to be cute and go home. That's all.
I think we both. We go eat out somewhere. I don't think we can call eating out a date unless we go somewhere new. Right?
You said not a date?
No, because we go eat out so much. Like, you know, that's how usually what our dates are. Consists of.
Food?
For sure.
Okay. Our next date, we need to do an activity.
Okay.
Like a paint and sip. We're going to do that, guys, and I'm going to vlog it. We just enjoy eating and talking. That's our love language.
Babe, you tearing that shit up.
Y'all know about that Stairmaster later?
Not you addicted to the Stairmaster.
I think I'm addicted to the Stairmaster, guys. Thank you, baby.
You're welcome. What's that? Oh, you dipped it in there? Mm-hmm. You want this one? Huh? Not you dipped it in the sauce. I didn't even think to do that. That's creative. Creative eats.
Guys, cooking for him. That's how I bag. That's how I bag is cooking for him.
Whatever.
And making him laugh.
Not even. Neither or is what you got.
I didn't bag you or you bagged me? We were friends first, right?
Nigga, we was dating.
On day one? On day one? No. After I had a conversation with him, I liked him, but no, I'm not even gonna hold you. That first conversation said a lot. Because all we talked about was God and our testimony.
Jesus.
I think that's how we fell in love, really. And the rest followed after. And I love how honest he is and upfront.
I just forgot to get it from you last time. I was a little upset because it was still skipping.
He was like,
That was transmission instead of I mean,
he was like,
we've done the stuff that
I'm not talking to nobody.
it required.
Are you talking to somebody?
At the miles I had on the car. And when he pulled the code, he brought it back.
And I was like, nope.
And it said that you needed to pull back on bank 1. That's what we put in. And I called you and told you we were going to pull back. And like I said, whenever you came to pick it up, I wasn't thinking about nothing but, everything that was going on with the car and all that. I just forgot about it. I noticed the first time we fixed everything.
I know that's right.
Yeah, well, he forgot the pull back. So, I apologize, but it does have a new one on there.
Thank you, baby.
You're welcome. What's that? Oh, you dipped it in there? You want this one?
Fine.
Huh? Not you dipped it in the sauce. I didn't even think to do that. That's creative. Creative eats. There's a consistency. Every time you come here, it's the same. You know what I'm saying? You get the same exact taste as you get every time. I think that's what makes a good restaurant.
Yeah, it does taste the same every time we come.
Every time I come here, I get exactly the taste that I'm looking for. You know what I'm saying?
I want to show y'all this. I don't know if y'all can see it. You think they can see it? Wait, no. It's a perfect angle. Look at that, y'all. Look at that.
What's that in the middle, man? Little camera. Like where your face is at.
It's just in the settings.
Oh, yeah.
They don't see that. We were friends first, right?
Nigga, we was dating.
On day one. On day one. No. After I had a conversation with him, I liked him, but no, I'm not even gonna hold you. That first conversation said a lot. Because all we talked about was God and our testimony.
Jesus.
I think that's how we fell in love, really. And the rest followed after. And I love how honest he is and upfront.
I just forgot to get it from you last time. I was a little upset because it was still skipping. The first time we fixed it, and when Jenny took it home,
He was like,
that was transmission instead of I mean,
he was like,
we've done the stuff that
I'm not talking to nobody.
it required.
Are you talking to somebody?
At the miles I had on the car, and when he pulled the code, he brought it back.
And I was like, nope.
And it said that you needed a pull back on bank one. That's what we put in. And I called you and told you we were going to pull back. I didn't know we still have. And like I said, whenever you came to pick it up, I wasn't thinking about nothing but, everything that was going on with the car and all that. I just forgot about it. I noticed that he moved the first time we fixed everything.
I know that's right.
Yeah, well, he forgot the pull back. So, I apologize, but it does have a new one on there. Got it easy? No. Well, you know what time it is, don't you? Yeah. Election day. Election day. You vote?
In too? No.
What? Why she can't come in, Nyla?
I'm not gonna be in the picture.
Really, Nyla? You're literally in her way. Can we see Kaylin? Where's Kaylin? Oh my goodness. Nyla, move. This is pretty, the trees.
Trees are colorful.
Take a picture? Yeah. Okay. Say cheese. Oh. What are you doing, Nyla? What are you guys doing? Okay. Come on. It's time to go. Y'all, it's cold. We already got the Uggs out. Come on. I did. I took multiple pictures. Huh? Did you have fun at the library?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. The donuts? Ooh. No. What do you want to say? Yes. Thank you. You too. There you go. Hold it. You hold it. All right, Nana, let's go. Come on. Come on.
Can't eat them all.
You eating your donut? Your donut's good? What type of donut you got? Chocolate? All right, guys, so dinner is almost done, but I do have to do the Jiffy buttermilk mix. I literally thought it was cornbread, but it's not cornbread. So I'm gonna make it after the rice is done. But y'all, now I can like really see my hair, how it's looking. I don't know. I mean, it's cute, but it's giving big forehead. Morning, you guys. So your girl looks kind of crazy, but the face is clear. It's giving wow, we woke up with freshness on our face. So guys, let's just jump straight into it. I really wanted to record this because I feel like this is a testimony of God's literal I can't even talk, y'all, because I'm so like, this is literally a testimony of God's love. And fast forward, so you guys all know I met Benny. Y'all haven't met him yet, but y'all will. But I already washed my face, guys, so I'm just doing my moisturizer. But ever since we've been together, we've already established that this is a God ordained relationship. And we ended up doing long distance for a while. He was in South Carolina, I was here in Georgia. He ends up moving here, and we pretty much have a blended family, right? But God was definitely challenging us to do things the right way, meaning we've already kind of skipped the steps as of like already living together. But since me and him been going to premarital counseling, first of all, we've already had, like, me and him both already have that solid foundation in Christ. Our spirits are very sensitive to the Holy Spirit. And when we get convicted, we get convicted. So, and this is a testimony for like all couples out here. Like, it's not too late to get back on track and get it right with God. It doesn't matter, you know, it doesn't matter where y'all at in a relationship, marriage, boyfriend, girlfriend, fiance. Once you decide that, okay, I'm going to put God first and I'm going to obey, obedience over, is it obedience over sacrifice? Or it's one of those things. But once you decide that you obeying is going to be a sacrifice towards your selfish desires, that's when God is going to start blessing you and, you know, just showing out in your life. And so this month it's December, and it's crazy how from summer, August, to all the way now, things have changed 180. And so we've been going to premarital counseling. The Holy Spirit has been putting on our heart to like just go ahead and do it. First of all, we know that we're definitely compatible with each other, but we also know that God is in this. There's just been so many things that's been going on that God has been showing us, dreams, just people ministering to us, people prophesying to us like, this is okay, this is right. Because we both come from a heavy past dealing with like relationships. Y'all already know I was married before, and that relationship was not God ordained at all. But I ended up having 2 beautiful girls from it. And he has a past as well. So me and him, we both came from a lot of trauma, a lot of fears, a lot of all that. But we do know that we want to be generational breakers in our family, meaning we want to set the tone. We want to do things the right way. We both come from bloodlines or generations of separation, divorce, adultery, just, you know what I'm saying? Like, and so we want to end that cycle with us so that we could give our children's children, our kids now and our future kids together, a beautiful demonstration of what a God-ordained marriage is. So that's where we're at right now, where it's like, and the church is supposed to be that. You have your family, you have your friends, but when you have a family church, they're gonna make it happen at all costs. So then I'll probably record that too, like telling people, okay, save the date, this is what's going on. And guys, I'm just letting y'all know it's gonna start moving quick. It really is.
Can't keep going.